Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for the spooky season, the Beetles Halloween Gel Nail Polish Set. Perfect for anyone looking to add some Halloween flair to their nails. Whether you're getting ready for a costume party or just want to celebrate the fall season with a fun manicure. This set is the best Halloween nail polish in black, red, and orange, with that spooky glow you need. First up, let's talk about the shades included in this set. You get 6 different colors: orange, green, purple, black, red, and a glittery fall color. These are perfect for any Halloween theme, whether you're going for a traditional pumpkin look, something a bit more mystical, or even a Wicked Witch vibe. The rich, vibrant colors are ideal for creating bold, eye-catching designs that scream Halloween. What makes this set stand out is its UV LED gel formula, which gives your nails that high shine, salon-quality finish. It's a soak-off gel, meaning that it's easy to remove and doesn't damage your nails, even after long wear. The formula is safe to use, with no harsh ingredients or binders that could lead to damaged nails. It's the kind of polish you can wear with confidence. Another fantastic feature of this set is the longevity. The gel polish is durable and can last for weeks without chipping or fading. Perfect for those of us who want a Halloween-themed manicure that can hold up through all the spooky fun. Once applied and cured under a UV or LED lamp, the polish stays intact, keeping your nails looking fresh throughout the holiday season. Now, let's get into the application. The Beetles Halloween Gel Nail Polish Set is incredibly easy to use. The polish goes on smoothly and evenly, and the colors are fully opaque in just 2 coats. This makes it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. If you've never used gel polish before, don't worry. It's as easy as applying regular nail polish, but with the added bonus of durability. The set also includes a glittery polish, which is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your Halloween nails. You can use it to create some cool effects, like a glittery pumpkin or a spooky shimmer on your favorite design. The glitter polish gives you that extra dimension that really takes your nails to the next level. This set is also versatile. You can mix and match the colors for endless creative combinations. Whether you're looking to create intricate nail art designs or just want to add a pop of color, you'll have everything you need in one kit. And since it's Halloween themed, you can go as wild as you want with your designs, perfect for the season. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best Halloween nail polish set that glows with spooky black, red, and orange tones, the Beetles Halloween Gel Nail Polish Set is exactly what you need. It's easy to apply, long-lasting, and perfect for creating all sorts of Halloween-themed looks. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or simply want to get in the spooky spirit, this set will give you the perfect nails to match the occasion. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Stay spooky, everyone.